Hello, I'm Dr. J, and this is the Volatility Sonar Report. The reason it's so important for you is this is like a heartbeat for the market, folks. It tells you whether or not we expect the market to go up higher dramatically or down lower dramatically. As VIX moves up, they're expecting dramatic moves. As VIX moves down, that means volatility is going to be more stable. The markets are going to be more stable. Here's today's report.
Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, I'm Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, with consecutive rallies, we've gained back almost everything we lost on Monday's sell-off. Today, the S&P 500 is up 30 with a lot of optimism emanating from the G20 summit. The interesting thing in VIX futures is, as we've rallied this entire week, we've seen the front month April future pull back from 46 to 42. You can hear a lot of activity on the floor today. But the back month future, long-term expectations for volatility have not come in with the front month. If you pull up the chart right now, you can see the April future trading in the low 42s, and June is still trading at about 41.5. So we have almost a flat futures curve. People are expecting this type of low 40s volatility to continue. And we talked about this week and last week about how implied volatilities on May and June have been stepping down and lower still. People betting on a lower range of volatility based around the 40 level. That's ticked up also today. We've had big buyers of the May and June bid up even as the VIX slips down. If you look at the volume in both May and June, 35 on the June. They bought 13,000 apiece. So you saw a lot of upside volatility getting bid up even as the VIX slips down. If you look at the volume in both May and June, you'll see a lot of activity on that 47.5 line and then less activity on the 50, 55, 60. A lot of the people who were selling those 47.5 calls were market makers, and market makers often try to hedge their risk immediately, and you can see a lot of them scooping up some of those higher strike VIX calls for some protection in case the VIX really shot up above 50. So that's what we have going on now. Flat futures curve with long-term volatility expectations about the same as what we have now, about 42, and we have some back month upside call buyers in May and June. That's what we got going on here. Check back for more. Jamie Tyrrell, Group 1 with Option Monster.